Alright, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your first time watching. Welcome to Daily Crave. And in today's video, I will be installing all of the pieces on the GT350 bumper. Well, at least I thought it was going to go like this, but it did not at all. Alright guys, so I'm trying to make a long story short. I ended up going with Icon Motorsport GT350 replacement parts. I thought that they would work just fine going on an MP concept bumper, but they do not work at all. It's completely different. Everything about it is different. I was trying to like cut it up and modify it in all different kind of ways I could, and it just was not working out for me at all whatsoever. So I ended up having to going back to the drawing board to figure out what I was going to do next. So therefore, I had ended up finding this forum that I found. I forget where it was, but I put a screenshot of it on the in the video so that you guys can see that I5 Auto House, they make GC350 replacement parts that work. Alright guys, so it has been probably about, let this focus on me. Alright guys, so it's probably been like a few weeks now because got all the replacement parts except the front splitter, because American Muscle has the front splitter. So now we can just get ready to try this out and put this on and see if this stuff fits. Because if this don't fit, then it's back to the drawing board. But let's try some stuff out. Alright guys, so I just got the bumper off, and okay. So as you can see, the tabs on both sides is completely just sheared right off. Go to this side as well. It's just straight up just sheared right off. Gone. So I didn't wanna drill into this new bumper, and put in those things. So I just decided to get new brackets, and hopefully that works out. Alright guys, so we can just remove the old bumper, and now we're put the new bumper on. I gotta remove the old turn signals and put them onto the new bumper brackets and stuff like that. But I'm gonna just feed through, and I just got through removing the old bumper brackets. So yeah, but here's the side by side of the old versus the new. Alright guys, so I just got through putting the bumper together. Now I'm finna get ready to get it put on the car, let the car down, put it on the car. And I gotta remove this old wire harness too. So bear with me.
Oh, it focuses really well on my teeth. Yeah, purr.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna hurry up and close out this video because it is starting to rain. But as you can see behind me, we just got the bumper put on the car and it looks really good. It looks like really good. Now I do gotta get the front lip because you can see it's looking bare mouth at the bottom. So I gotta get the front splitter, front lip, whatever you want to call it, the front splitter, and then we'll be done with it. I'm gonna get in the car because it's sort of pouring down a little bit. It's starting to rain a lot. Alright, so guys, I just got in the car. So if you're looking for like replacement parts for your MP Concept GT350, you can get those parts from I-5 Auto House. They have the replacement parts. They fit on the car pretty well. I didn't really have no issues, none had to cut nothing or like anything like that with this brand. But with I thought the Icon, I'm pretty sure I already talked about this, and I thought Icon Motorsport GC350 replacement parts would have worked, but they don't fit at all. I tried to cut them and try to make them work and try to do all kinds of stuff to make them work, and no, those didn't work at all. But yeah, I hope that this information helped you guys, those of you that have the MP Concept GC350 bumper. You can get those replacement parts from I-5 Auto House. They have them. But without further ado guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. I really appreciate you guys for sticking with me. And yes, we still going to be changing the color of the car. Everything is it's taking time. You know, a lot of this stuff is expensive and it's taking, you know, time for me to get these parts. Like the replacement parts took like so long because I had to, you know, I had got stuck a little bit, so I had to figure out, okay, what parts will work for this, because it's stupid to me that MP Concepts from American Muscle don't provide replacement parts for their own bumper, but that's neither here nor there. We got them, and we found something that did work. But yeah, everything dipping the car, all of this stuff is still finna come back into full motion, so just bear with me guys. But without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. I really appreciate you guys for sticking around with me.